Hey, this is Brad with WTI. When you're working out, you want to see what your results are. You want to get results quickly. And to do that, you need information. That's where this Scosche Rhythm 24 monitor comes in handy. What's really nice about it is that it's waterproof. Also, what's nice about it is the band is nice and comfortable. It's tight enough to where it's not going to move around on you while you're working out. And if you're sweating, we live down here in the South, so it's hot a lot, it's humid a lot, and when you sweat, things tend to slide around, but this stays nicely in place, but it's comfortable while you're wearing it. So after a while, you actually kind of forget you have it on. Another thing that I like about it is you have buttons on it that can record your workout. So you hit the record button, you record your workout, even if your device, your phone or whatever isn't connected to the monitor, you can still download that workout back to your phone when you get back to it and then check out the results. The bands, you can get different colors for them. That way you don't get yours confused with maybe your wife's or your kids or whatever. It also clips on and off too, so that way you can easily adjust it. And what I like about it too is that it connects to a lot of different health apps on your devices, and that way you can keep up with something that you're already using if you get this. And it has its own app as well. So that's what I liked about the Scosche Rhythm 24, and that's my point of view.